Hello students, hope all of you are in good shape. Today we will be revising the chapter, the poem Eve by Rudyard Kipling. It was the last chapter to be revised. So obviously the revision thing will be there, but before that I have decided, like the last time I shared the names of the students whose projects I had received. This time also I will do the same thing now. I will take the names of the students who could submit. I mean, I received the projects of these students through Google form and also through email. But in email, there were some students who did not type any details, name, class, section, roll number, ID, nothing. So those projects are not accepted. It's not possible to track you without your details. So the proper submissions, those names will be announced here. Let's start that thing. Wait a second. Okay. Section Alpha. তথাগত মাইতি, অভ্রনীল পাল, আদ্রিজা মাহাতো, আদ্রিজা সাউ, আদ্রিতা মাহাতো, অনক বেরা, অনিশা আফরিন, অনুষ্কা গুড়িয়া, আয়ুষ্মান সিং, দেবাদ্রিতা বসাক, দেবালিনা নাগ, দেবার্পণ মণ্ডল, দেবাং বিশ্বকর্মা, গৌরব পাত্র, গ্রীষিকা সিং, ইশিকা কর, কোমলিকা পান্ডে, মঞ্জিষ্ঠা ঘোষ, মৃন্ময় ঘোষ, পরমব্রত পাল, wait a second, পরমব্রত পল, পরিধি খাজাঞ্চি, পৃথ্বীশ বেরা, ঋষিরাজ ভূঁইয়া, রিমিশা বেরা, রুহান সরকার, সন্দীপ আচারী, সাত্বিকী চক্রবর্তী, শাহরিয়ার খান, শিমিকা মণ্ডল, শেখ জাভেদ আলম, সোমাংশু রয়, সৌরিন অধিকারী, সৃজন ডাকুয়া, স্বাগতা রয়, শাহেদ আব্দুল মমিন, তৃষা দুবে, আয়ুষ কুমার সাহু, অনুষ্কা আগরওয়াল, মুদ্দু কৌশিক প্রণব, স্নেহা মিশ্রা, সোহম রয়, শুভম শতপথী, ত্রিশান বল্লভ, সৃষ্টি কর্মকার, Prithviraj Tiwari. I don't know to which section you belong. Right now at least I don't know. You have written your section as B. What is B? Alpha, gamma, beta, delta. Anyone? What is B? B means group B. Beta and delta. So you need to know your section properly. Whether beta or delta. I have not asked your group. Prithviraj Tiwari. Your name is here. I have received your project but I don't know your section. After that beta. অগ্রণী চন্দ্র, ঐশিক হোর, আলিশা খাতুন, অনুপম মল্লিক, অন্বেষা মল্লিক, অর্ণজিৎ রয়, আতিক আহমেদ খান, দেবতন্নী দে, দেবতৃষা দে, ঋষিরাজ পাত্র, ইশিকা কালাই, ইশিতা ছেত্রী, মোহাম্মদ কাইফ নজিম, প্রশংসা দাস, রিমশা খান, রিতম বেরা, শাগনিক পান্ডে, Shayad Fayaz. You have mentioned your email ID only, both in the box of mail and also in the space where you should have written your name. There also you have mentioned email ID. Syed Fayaz. Shaptarshi Chandra, Shreyoshi Gatayit, Shruti Agarwal, Shomani Bor, Shourish Roy, Srijita Chakraborty, Suprabhat Das, Suprabho Shaha, Tiyash Rakshit, Devdeep Roy, Shoham Dandopat, Shouradev Maiti, Shumedha Das, Tanusha De. Okay, up to this it was beta. Now delta. Adrita Sadhu, Anjit Mahato, Ankit Das, Anurag Ghosh, Anushka Hajari, Anushka Shatpati, Orghodip Mitro, Ayush Kulabhi, Devojit Patro, Deepan Kundu, Dishwa Bishwas, Drishayan Adhikari, Jishan Gupta, Liza Pal, Madhurima Mallik, Mohammad Amir Hamza, Monalisa Ghosh, Nabonita Jena, Prabhavanil Das, Ritisha Jana, সমদর্শী দে, সমীরণ কোটাল, সমৃদ্ধি মল্লিক, সংহিতা দে, শ্রীমতী বাসু, সোহাগনী রয়, সোহাম মণ্ডল, সৌহার্দ্য ঘোল, সৌনক লেটুয়া, সুমন কল্যাণ রয়, স্বস্তিকা ডন, তিতলি পল, তোয়া চট্টোপাধ্যায়, উষ্ণিশা রয়, অনন্যা পাত্র, অস্মিতা ভট্টাচার্যা, বাসুদেবন দাস, ইশরাত জাবিন, সঙ্গীতা দাস, শ্রেয়া কর, শিল্পী পাত্র, ঐশিকী হালদার, sorry, this is from Gamma, ঐশিকী হালদার, অনির্বাণ সিংহ, অঙ্কিত বর্মন, অঙ্কিত বিশ্বাস, অনুরাগ পড়ুয়া, অনুষ্কা ভট্টাচার্য, অনুষ্কা ঘোষ, অর্চিষ্মান গিরি, wait, Okay, after Orchishwan Giri, there is Ornatri Ghosh, Orpon Maiti, Orpita Bhuiya, Ashmita De Dalal, Ayushri Roy, Devjit Ghosh, Devjit Manna, Esha Ghanta, Oishani Maiti, Rajanya Dash, Ritobroto Bhuiya, Shamprit Chaudhary, Shampriti Mahato. Wait. After Shampriti Mahato, Shaptorshi Hajra, Shabdik Mondol, Shaina Saha, Srijita Mondol, Shreyam Hajra, Sheikh Jisan Raza, Swarani Maiti, Snehadrita Tung, Shoham Oja, Shomashri Shahu, Shoumik Mondol, Shrestha Shatra, Shudipta Bishai, Swarnabh Banerjee, Tithi Barui, Akash Sarkar, Anushka Sarkar, Orpit Bormon, Diptarup Chatterjee, Sheikh Arman Ali, Shumoli Bhuiya, Tithi Chongdar. From Delta, you have written in your section, that portion you have written Group B Delta, Sunaina Parveen. I have asked your section only, so Delta only. Sunaina Parveen, Arya Shahu, you have not mentioned your section. In the section space, you have written your student ID. Arya Shahu. After that, from Gamma, Ritom Rana. From Delta, Mili Das. From Beta, Ayush Mondol, Deepanvita De from Beta. Some of you have used different font, have written the section in a different way. That's why it got, it is dictated in a haphazard way. Okay, through mail I have received the projects of Arith Mandal, Tiyash Rakshit, I think I have taken the name. Arjya Sundar Hait, Shourabh Pradhan, Ankon Dinda, Farhin Khanam, Shohagni Roy. Bas, that's it. Now, the revision part will be very short because I have discussed this poem for 3 days as far as I remember. So, the most important thing is, not most important thing, sorry, the important thing is Rudyard Kipling. What do you need to remember about Rudyard Kipling? Some of his well-known works like Barrack Room Ballads, Rewards of Fairies, as well as the popular collection of short stories, The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. Okay? This is the very famous, The Jungle Book is very famous. I think you all know about it. You have watched the movie or you have gone through the book. Everyone knows it. In cartoon also there was the Jungle Book we used to see, the cartoon. Okay, so what is the poem about? That in this poem, the poet is giving his son a paternal advice regarding what? To be successful in life and above all to be a good human being, a matured good human being who can be remembered for his actions or for his goodness, okay, for his greatness. A complete and perfect human being. Perfect, no one is perfect, so the word perfect is very much ambiguous, but at least a human being who can influence others, from whom we can get inspiration. So for that thing we need to follow a certain rules. We need to follow certain rules that have been listed down in this particular poem. Like we need to the very first line, like if you can keep your head, what does it mean? Keep your head. We need to keep our mind and head calm and composed. We should not lose our temperament every now and then, especially when we are facing any kind of problem. In our life, we will face so many problems. Like we will meet some people who will try to distort our statements, who themselves, I mean those people, they themselves indulge in a very bad path, I mean a very bad track. How? Because they distort the truth that you are saying. They will try to, tempt you to do bad things, but you need to maintain yourself. You should not indulge yourself in the path of those things like dishonesty or revenge. Those things you should not go for. Like, okay, he is distorting the things. Okay, let me find out the line. The particular line I can't. Yes, the path of lies. You should not indulge yourself in the track of lies. You should be truthful always. Another thing, there are all the rules I am not going to state here. If you have not watched the previous videos, I will give you the same suggestion. Watch the main videos at first, then watch this video. Otherwise, you will not understand a single word, whatever I am saying. And on the basis of this revision video only, don't go and to appear in your exam. Okay, because revision video, in this particular video I will just summarize the important things. Everything will not be explained in details. That's not possible. But if you want me to discuss any particular thing, you do remind me in the live class that ma'am, in the next video you discuss these things from this chapter or that chapter. Okay. Okay, after that there was another point that about victory and triumph and disaster. Actually, victory and failure. Whenever we meet victory, sometimes what happens, we become overjoyed. We become overconfident, but that is very harmful. At the same time, whenever we are, suppose we have gathered so many things with lots of struggles, and we are like, okay, this time I can win, but somehow we meet failure. It happens. That is why though they are very much, we cannot trust them, okay, very easily, that they will be there for sure. No, you never know when victory will come, you never know when the failure will come. Our tendency should be we should try our best. Okay, so when the poet is talking about victory and failure, he is saying that both the things should be accepted by us with the same kind of attitude. We should not be overjoyed by victory. We should not become so upset due to failure that we cannot carry on our daily actions. We cannot gather the things again together. We should try to rebuild the things if we face any failure. Right? This is the idea of the poet given to his son. Again, he is saying that sometimes it happens that with lots of struggles, as I just said, the points are actually interconnected. With lots of struggles, we have achieved something. But somehow we need to reach a greater point, a higher point, and that is why we need to take a particular risk. After taking that risk, if we become successful, okay, we will reach a higher position. But risk means risk. There can be an accident and we can face failure. And if we face failure after taking that risk, everything will be lost, whatever we have achieved through struggle. But we have to take that risk. We need to have that courage to take that risk. And if we face failure, we should not be upset so much. Rather, we should stand up again, and our energy should be like that we will rebuild again everything from the very beginning. From zero, we will again make it 100, 200 and 1000 and all. Okay? And there is another thing that during old age or when we are physically weak, what happens? A single thing will be there. Our physical force, our muscle power will be lost, our nerve, our heart, our mental strength, our physical strength, everything will be lost. Or not mental strength. Mental strength actually remains there. Heart means, sometimes we feel, okay, we have become old, so we cannot do this thing, or I am weak, we cannot do this thing. We should not allow our body to do this. We should not allow our brain or mind to do this. Rather, the willpower, it should tell all the other things of our physical force, our muscle, our brain, everything. The willpower should tell them that hold on, we can do it. Okay, in this way, only by sheer willpower and determination, throughout our whole life, whether a child or an old man, we can achieve each and everything. And there are other rules also that Rudyard Kipling has suggested his son and obviously his readers like us. So go through all the rules, and what happens if someone follows all the rules? He or she will be able to be successful in his or her life. Above all, he or she will be not perfect and appropriate, a very good human being, which is the most necessary thing. Okay, that's it. The things that you should remember, the figure of speech that have been used here, the symbols, the symbol portion that is mentioned in page number 167, you go through that properly. That is also very important, which phrase or which thing symbolize which other thing. That is symbolizes which other thing, that is very important. And the figure of speech, so I told the rhyme scheme, okay, you just try to understand the process to find out the rhyme scheme, because memorizing it is not going to help you. You never know which lines will be quoted. Okay, you don't know which lines will be quoted, so memorizing it will not help you in any way. So try to understand the process of figuring out the rhyme scheme. If you don't understand, you just feel free to ask me again. Okay, no problem. Another thing, okay, yes, each and every rule, about each and every rule you should be very much clear. Suppose I am asking you that the poet Rudyard Kipling has forbidden to eat junk food in his poem If. True or false? Obviously it will be false, because no such, this is a good suggestion, but no such suggestion has been given, at least in this poem. So you should be very much clear, okay, this rule has been stated here and any such rule like that has not been stated here. Which rules are there in this poem, okay, which rules have been suggested by Rudyard Kipling in this poem, about that you should be very, very clear. Those are my tips only, nothing else. You just study well, take preparation. We will be meeting in the live class.